Going to learn about Ethernet and ARP. In this lab, we'll just investigate that Ethernet protocol and ARP protocol by just knowing the prerequisites. Ethernet is widely used standard for wide networking. It defines the rules for hardware addressing, like framing and data collision handling in the LAN, which is a local area network. If we come to the address resolution protocol, which is known as ARP, it is a protocol which is used to mapping an IP address to physical address on a network. When a device wants to communicate with another on the same network, that it uses address resolution protocol to just discover the MAC address, which is having a target with IP address. In essentially in Ethernet handles the physical connection and frame structure, while ARP is just helps devices on the frame network find each other hardware addresses. So in the first, let me start with capturing and analyzing the Ethernet frames. So here first we make browser's cache is empty. I have already done that. That's browser's US bills rights of that website. So we got here that the packet which is related to that one. We got get function that which will having this thing. So we are done with this capturing and analyzing Ethernet frames. So we'll just knowing that we want to answer then some of the questions right here. After enabling that analyze enabled protocols, that this thing, so that we can easily analyze that thing by just file open desktop, and then ethernet trace 1. Yes, we got it here, ethernet trace 1. So we just want to select analyze enabled protocols and disable higher protocols, that IPv4. We just want to, yes, we got here that related information, that packet. So here we just want to check, yes, the packet which is related to this get function, that here it has shown here. So we have done with Ethernet, and we are not interested in the IP or higher layer protocols. So by this we can just answer some of the questions that which are given here. What is 48-bit Ethernet address of your computer? So this question can be answered through by checking here. We just want to open Ethernet to here, and in the Ethernet that we have this address, Ethernet destination address, source address. So here in the question ask that basic source address, which is known as 00, has this one. So, and then second question, what is 48-bit destination address in the Ethernet frame? So in this frame, destination address is given here like 000625DAF73. This was the destination address. So next, moving to the next question, that give the hexadecimal value for the 2-byte frame type field. What upper layer protocol does this correspond to? And here that the hex value for the frame field is just about 0x0800. It is the hexadecimal value that which will be having this for this question. Like this we can answer all these questions with a simple manner. So let's get into the ARP. ARP is nothing but address resolution protocol, which will be using for mapping IP address to a physical MAC address on a network. When a device wants to communicate with another same network, it uses ARP to discover the MAC address associated with the target IP address. For this, we just need to enter into the terminal, which will be having, we have a terminal. We just like we just there are command for the terminal that showing the ARP. So here given some of the uses commands that for if you want like interface or host name we use ARP-n, and for interface that we use D host name, and for file name we use ARP-f. We just want that IP address is to converted in to map in with the physical address as according to their server or device. That we just need to enter the command ARP-a is a command. Yes, it's take some time to just entering that physical address having the MAC address. Yes, here we can see already that IP address 172.16.16.1 have MAC address has 71B5AFDF. Like these, they will be having many systems has a different IP address mapping with MAC address. Like observing ARP action can be done like this. So after like it was a same ARP protocol, like it was the same like as a how we have done with Ethernet. ARP is also same. Like from ARP we can just answer different questions, like what are the hexadecimal values for the source and destination address in the Ethernet frame containing ARP request message. For ARP request message, here ARP is there. For this, destination address is this 00D0 and source address is this. So we are done with the question, first question, and then give a hexadecimal value for 2 byte Ethernet frame type. What are the upper layer protocols does correspond to? For this question also, we can just say 0x800 is a hex value here, as we can see. So we are done with ARP and Ethernet. Thank you.